Hello everybody, my name is Mcpe. Today I'm going to be playing another game of survival games on Mcpe on Minecraft Pocket Edition. And man, how can these YouTubers put up with this? I can't know the words. Remember, leave a like, subscribe, and comment on this video. And maybe we can play sometime. Play some time on here. And whatever works. I don't know, whatever works. But let's get started. Yippee! Right. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we're starting. Anima, wee. I don't know what that says, but well, he looks like L is for Lee from Stampy Longhead. Okay. JDTH Braxton 3. Say none of them are saying hi. Okay, there we go. Hi, YouTube. Say hi. We will like and subscribe. We will like, subscribe, and subscribe. Yeah. Alright. I'm a little fox boy. Since that's my skin, my main skin, it's on a little picker there. A little crouching action. Just like that guy said, little booty magic. Heck to the no. Heck no. Just heck no. Heck no. No, that's why I'm using Xmod. Settings not available while recording. That's just madness. Oh, that sounds actually pretty fair, actually. You don't want to interrupt your little recording for YouTube. Me too. My channel is Kawi Gamer. Shout out to popular analysts. Captain Sparkles. Let's be teams, okay? They're acting like I'm gonna send this to the Sky Army or something, to the whole Sky Army. Oh, that would be nice if I was actually part of the Sky Army. And my food bar is going down. Finally, I can eat something, because last time I couldn't eat nothing. And last time I have one thing against cakes. Every time I eat a cake, it kills me. That's dumb. I've never seen the cake actually kill you. That cake is up. What just happened? Is it kicked because of flying? I don't remember me flying though, but join another server. Perfect. Right. Yep, that's my password. YOLO. YOLO boy. Alright. Tweet that, son. Winning. Oh, cool. That's a skin for the Xbox version of Minecraft. It's a Dirt Man. That's what it's called. No, that's not fair. Right. And that thing is really in the shape of a creeper. Wait, get that on my face. Get that on my face, see? A creeper. Ah. Okay, I can unhide that. Standing on it, nothing's happening. Oh. So you gotta keep doing this until it puts you in a dang server. Put me in a freaking server. Good, now go. Candy 9, 1game1. Some of the commands, hub, coins, and posts. What's posts? Number of players, 2. Whoa, 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 what just happened? Wait, what is this? Could you give me some supplies real quick? At least something? Anything? No fair, how that fool got oh, okay. Oof, wasn't looking. My bad. I remember to put those hashtags in the comments below, like what was that thing called? No, not the D's nuts one, the other ones. Hashtag, yeah, hashtag thanks Obama. Something like that, like True Equilibrium or something. Alright. And I'm still working on putting a little introduction song, like those Mcpe YouTubers, like Jack Frost Miner. You guys should check out his channel. He does mods too. Oh shoot! Oh, about a man! Oh god! Oh god! Ooh, I'm gonna get you in a minute. Yeah, we should play sometime. My little Mercedes. Let's see what we got. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3. Some of these already started, and they barely have any players on them. Little popular almost. I'm Neptune. Mistaken him. I mostly see everybody wearing Dan's and Dan TDM's and popular MMO's skin. For some reason, did he like those two YouTubers a lot? Cause everybody does like Dan. I mean, like Dan. They really like Dan. Mostly think he has so many subscribers than Sky. But my favorite YouTuber is Markiplier. Even though he's not a Minecraft YouTuber, he's still my favorite. Who the heck are you? Oh look, his name is Jove something. Oh no, try to the bed, oh god. Oh god. I'm out. Man, I'm using that portal for this. Oh, he's been blocked out. Block. Ouch. Ow. Okay. Oh man, I'm trapped in the bed, oh god. Oh, more of this turf war junk. More of this junk. What is this? Sky Wars. Number of players. Alright. Didn't expect to have 4 players only in this game. How long have I been recording for? 9 minutes and 6 seconds. No winner in game 4. I think I know why. Tokyo Ghoul V2 has been eliminated. Hunger Games, a diamond on, iron sword. I'm searching through the world for it. You can interact with chest using a sword. Yeah, this is dumb. I won? I won! I still got my diamonds. I still got my diamonds. Diamonds, son. Yeah. Yeah, diamonds.